Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I thought I'll talk a little bit about crypto corrections. If you are tracking the crypto world, you would notice that a couple of weeks ago, the crypto market pretty much crashed. Bitcoin from $63,000 went down to about $33,000. It's recovered. Recovered appreciably, but the market really went down. Now, is that something that is uncommon, or is that something that is alarming, or is that something that is good to have? Is these are the questions that most of the investors and traders would be worried about or interested in knowing, especially the ones who are small-time investors. So I thought I'll give you some perspective on this particular crypto correction that is currently undergoing, and should you invest is the point that you would eventually decide based on all the points that I'm trying to make today in this particular video. So there are 5 points that I'm going to talk about. Please consider those. Please keep that in mind. Please understand those 5 points so that you are in a better position to make a final decision on your investment in cryptocurrencies. So before we dive in, please like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell so that you are informed every time I upload a new video. Please share this video with people, this particular video especially with people who are looking to invest in cryptocurrencies or who are on the fringe, or who have already invested recently or probably previously. Please share it with them, or even those who are, academically inclined and who do want to know more about where the crypto world is moving. So please share it with them, and let's dive in. So, why I would say that crypto correction is beneficial? Well, like I said, there are 5 points that I'm going to talk about. So the first point is the remove scam actor. So what has been happening is that over the past few years, I would say that a lot of scamsters have actually developed their own tokens. And the purpose behind that, those tokens were to take the price up momentarily for a day, perhaps, or two, and then they will pull out their monies that they have invested in take the price up, and that way, a lot of people would actually invest in the crypto, and they pull the money out. So the moment they pull the money out, the crypto will fall, and the small-time investors would lose money. So the reason why small-time investors go and invest is the classic FOMO effect, the fear of missing out. So they see that people are making money really, really fast. It's a great opportunity to make quick money. And that really is an attractive bait for them to bite into and jump into the crypto investment world, and that's where they make a mistake. So that is that. So this particular correction really takes out the scam actors because when the price comes down and it normalizes, that this has actually not happened. So when it normalizes, then the scam actors would not dare to venture into the crypto world very, very easily. So there will be an entry barrier in their mind. The second point is the bubble burst. So what happens is when that price goes up, and goes up for a day, there's suddenly a bubble is created. And when the scam actors pull out the money and the price drops, that the bubble gets burst. So and so this particular correction really inhibits the potential or possibility of having a bubble being created. It actually stops it. So that is a positive side of this particular correction in the crypto world. Also, it also tells us that what happens is when the prices go up tremendously, the original creators or founders of company, or the genuine founders of the company, or the investors who invested in the company in developing the tokens, they get lost in that melee. No one speaks about them because they are genuinely trying to find a solution for a challenge in the global market using their tokens. So suddenly, if those scam actors, their tokens go up, they are nowhere to be seen. But what happens is with this particular correction, they come out stronger because it eventually boils down to the founders, their ideas, the solution that they brought in, and how easily the solution could tackle a particular challenge. It's pretty much like a startup, a startup company. If their ideas are strong, they people get to know them, and hence the startup or the company becomes more known in the market. So this particular correction allows these real genuine founders of token companies and their partners to come out stronger in the market. What it also does is to build the fundamentals. So as you know, the crypto world really works on a supply and demand model, and there are no regulations at this point in time. So the job of the regulators is to protect the small-time investors, the primary job. Now, when such a sudden spike in price happens, they are running helter-skelter to try and see how they can protect the small-time investors. But with the absence of regulation, and there are no real fundamentals on which the jump of the price happens, or even the fluctuation happens, unlike you would be able to track a stock in the stock market. There are fundamentals behind that, but here in crypto there aren't. So the regulators really, have to work hard to somehow get the real small-time investors be protected. Although they can't 100% successful because there are no regulations at this point in time. But with the correction, it actually helps to build the fundamentals of the token, the genuine tokens, like I spoke about in the previous point, to come out more clearer, so that when the investor goes to invest later, they are in a better informed position to invest. So that's why, in my opinion, this correction is extremely good for drawing up the fundamentals of tokens, and that should lead into proper regulation in the industry. And the last and the final point is that the right talent gets recruited. What I mean by that is the moment, so when these genuine companies get noticed, they are able to attract the right developers, the developers who have the talent, who can develop or upgrade the model or have a better optimized token, and have multiple business models for the token, you would need strategists and marketers. So this particular correction allows these genuine token companies to hire the best talent in the industry. So those were the 5 points because of which I feel that the crypto correction is beneficial, and I do hope that in the future you will have a much better place of footing for cryptos to be invested in. Investors will have will be more informed, and they can make better decisions, especially the small-time investors. And I hope people will refrain from that, falling into the trap of FOMO, and they would be better off if they look at the fundamentals of tokens, and the background of the founders, then the business model, the guidance that they provide, and all of that, and the market cap, transactions, past price graph, and all of that, to make a very strong and informed decision. So that's what I wanted to tell you about this particular crypto correction. I hope this is useful to you. I would also put on the card above a way to make passive income through cryptos. That is not related to what I spoke here, because this is more on the right side of the business. The passive income is also on the right side, but you have to tread with a little bit of caution. I'll put that on the card above. Please take a look at it. And as you know, I have recently come up with this ebook where I have spoken about myself, my journey, how I left my 6-figure globetrotting corporate job back in 2010 and became an entrepreneur, and I own 2 companies today, and representatives in the US. The name of the book is 6-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur. The link to get the book is flashing on the screen, and you will also find that in the description down below. It's on my website. Please go and put down your name and email address, and the links will be emailed to you, the downloadable link. In this particular book, the cool thing is I've also spoken about. So there's a worksheet in this book that helps you give a preliminary idea about where you stand as in terms of becoming an entrepreneur, if you are looking or wanting to become one. There is a scoring system as well. I have scored myself as well, and I've put down my score in that. So you know where I stood when I started off in 2010. And so that's the journey, the worksheet, and my score, and you could score yourself. This book is for you to score. It's not for anybody else to score. It's not for you to share with anybody else. So I hope you like this book. Please go and put in your details so that the downloadable link is sent to you on your inbox. And thank you very much for listening to me. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. You will find my LinkedIn URL in the description down below. I regularly work with companies and startups to find solutions to their challenges in business, marketing, and technology. If you wish to engage me as your consultant, please contact me on my website. A link to that will be there in the description box below. And you could also do that on my LinkedIn after you've connected with me. So in the meantime, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please smash that notification bell, please share my videos. And I hope you really like this video. I hope this is useful to you in making your decision in buying or investing in cryptocurrencies. So invest using the knowledge, the tools, and do a bit of research before you put in your money in any cryptocurrency or any stock market for that matter. So you take care and you have a great day, and I shall see you tomorrow again with my next video. Bye bye.